Connect Plus Primary 1, Term 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and read.
This is my mom. This is my dad. I have a brother. His name is Eunice. I have a sister. Her name is Delita. She's a baby.
Exercise 2. Look, listen, and say.
Mom. Dad. Grandma. Grandpa. Me. Sister. Brother. Mom. 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 Dad. 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 Grandma. 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 Grandpa. 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 Sister. 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 Brother. Brother. Brother.
Exercise 3. Read and say.
Who's this?
This is my
Who's this?
This is my grandma. Exercise 1. Read and match.
I'm Kareem. This is my dad. This is my mom. I have a sister. Her name is Sarah. I have a brother. His name is Fairs.
Exercise 2. Look, read and write about Kareem.
This is his father. 2. This is his sister. 3. This is his mother. 4. This is his brother.
Exercise 1. Look at the family on page 16. Match and say.
Mom. Mom. Dad. Dad. Grandma. Grandma. Grandpa. Grandpa. Sister. Sister. Brother. Brother.
Exercise 2. Look and read. Who's this?
This is my grandpa.
Exercise 3. Look and trace. 1. Who's this?
This is my grandma.
2. Who's this?
This is my mom.
3. Who's this?
This is my dad.
Who's this? This is my brother, and this is my sister.
You can now talk about your family. In the next lesson, you will talk more about your family.
Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say.
Do you have a sister? Yes, I do. What's her name? Her name is Layla. Do you have a brother? No, I don't.
Exercise 2. Listen and match. 1,
I have a sister.
2,
I have a brother. I don't have a sister.
3,
I don't have a sister or a brother.
4,
I have 2 sisters. I don't have a brother.
Exercise 3. Now ask and answer.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. His name is Ollie.
Exercise 1. Find and write.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I do.
What's her name?
Her name is Nadia. Do you have a sister?
No, I don't. I have a brother.
What's his name?
His name is Walid.
Exercise 2. Read and circle.
1. Do you have a brother? 2. Do you have a sister?
You can now talk about your brothers and sisters. In the next lesson, we will read about describing people.
Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say.
Tall. Short. Young. Old. Funny. Kind. Tall. 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 Short. 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 Young. 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 Old. 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 Funny. 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 Kind. Kind. Kind.
Exercise 2. Look, read and circle. Then point and say. 1. You're funny. 2. You're tall. 3. I am short. 4. He is old. 5. He is kind. 6. She is young.
Exercise 1. Read and match.
Kind. Kind. Short. Short. Old. Old. Young. Young. Tall. Tall. Funny. Funny.
Exercise 2. Look and write. Then point and say. 1. He is kind. 2. She is young. 3. She is tall. 4. He is funny. 5. He is old. 6. He is short. He is short. In the next lesson, we are going to learn more about talking about your families.
Exercise 1. Listen, read, and point.
My name is Rami. This is my family.
1,
This is my grandma.
2,
This is my grandpa.
3,
This is my mom.
4,
This is my dad.
5,
This is my uncle.
6,
This is my aunt.
7,
This is my sister.
8,
These are my cousins.
Exercise 1. Look, read and circle.
This is my grandpa. This is my grandpa. This is my grandma. This is my grandma. This is my aunt. This is my aunt. This is my brother. This is my brother. This is my dad. This is my dad. This is my mom. This is my mom.
This is my cousin. This is my cousin.
This is my sister. This is my sister.
Thanks for watching and goodbye.